Shri Dashmish Public School, Standard 1, Subject English. Children, open your textbook, Unit number 7, Poem number 4, This, That, page number 69. Unit number 7, Poem number 4, This, That. Children, this is used for the things which are near to us, and that is used for the things which are far away from us. Like you can see, a spoon is near to us. Sun, star, moon, they are far away from us. So for them we are going to use that. Now let us listen and repeat a short poem on this and that. Children, you are going to listen carefully and you are going to repeat after me. This is near me and that is far. This is my finger and that is the star. This is my spoon and that is the moon. This is my bun and that is the sun. When something is near, we say this. When something is far, we point out that. Okay, now in this short poem, what is explained, children? We are using this for the near things and that is for the far. This is my finger. Finger means when we point out something. The things which are far. The things which are far, we always use our finger to point it. So we say, and that is the star. This is my spoon. Spoon is near to us. So we say, this is my spoon. And that is the moon. This is my bun. Bun you know very well. Bun means bread. And that is the sun. When something is near, we say this. And when something is far, we point out that. Now, let us find rhyming words from this poem. Okay. Now see now. Near. Near. Near rhyming word is far. Okay. Then next we will see spoon, moon, bun, sun. Alright. So in poem always you are going to find rhyming words. So rhyming words are there. You can see it carefully and try to find out the rhyming words whenever you read poem. Children, down you will see one exercise is given to you. Fill in with this or that. You have to fill this or that by looking at the object. So now see the first: book, pencil, spoon. Now these are objects and we can touch it, right? We can touch these objects, yes, and this is near to us. So here for this objects we are going to write this. Okay, this is a book, this is a pencil, this is a spoon, because we can touch them and it is very near to us, right? Now children, now see here, this is a window and out of window you will see sun, cloud, moon, tree. Now these things are far away from us. I cannot touch them. So I can only point them and I will use which word? That. That is a tree. That is the sun. That is the moon. Right? So you have to see the picture carefully and try to understand what you have to write, this or that. If the things are near to you, this. If things are far away from you, then we will write that. Now children, see here, dash is a book. So you are going to write here, this is a book. Dash is a pencil. Now this pencil, so you will write here, this is a pencil. Dash is a spoon. So this is a spoon. Next now, dash is a tree. So tree is far away. You are going to write that is a tree. Dash is the sun. Sun is also far away. So you are going to write here, that is the sun. Dash is the moon. That is a moon. I hope children you have very well understood the difference between this and that, and recite this poem.